Hari Om. This is episode 2 of our introductory course for yoga teacher training. This is completely free, structured series for anyone who wants to become a yoga teacher but doesn't know where to start. If you haven't watched the earlier videos, please watch them in order. Take notes properly, give comments. That is very important for beginners. Let's get started. In previous video, we talked about what is TTC, why we are doing this course. Now, let's see what exactly we will cover. We need some qualification before we start our yoga teacher training course or yoga teaching. 1. Discipline. Discipline means doing the right thing at the right time with consistency. Discipline is self-control in action. It is the bridge between your goals and your success. 2. Empathy. Empathy means the ability to understand the feel what other person is going through as if you are in their place. It is not just knowing someone's feeling but feeling with them their joy, their pain or struggle with compassion and care. 3. Consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly, steadily without giving up even when it feels boring or difficult. It is the habit of showing up again and again with patience and dedication. 4. Respect for the practice. Respect to practice means valuing your yoga or spiritual practice and something sacred, not treating it casually or mechanically. It is the attitude of reverence, sincerity, and gratitude you bring each time you step on the mat or sit for meditation. Whenever we conduct our yoga TTC batches, we ensure every student attends regular yoga classes first, because understanding the student perspective is essential before becoming a teacher. As a teacher, we need more and more discipline and consistent. They have to follow all the rules and regulation which given by our yogis. Okay, let's see the topics we are going to cover in this series. What is yoga and what is the history of yoga? The connection between mind and body, importance of breathing and connection of body movement and breath, understanding mudras and bandhas, basics of anatomy and alignment, how yoga impacts life beyond the mat, and we are going to give the foundation of teaching and how to be a good teacher. Once this course is complete, you will be ready to pursue a full TTC program. Let we see on the episode 3 with beautiful topics. Thank you. Hari Om.